been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chin up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way.
Love you, Mommy.
Another day, we go bottoms up.
Do it.
We have been back every day this week cleaning out and clearing out the cabin.
It's different colors of blue. Yeah, this is Beaver. See it?
It's like 1970's Tetris with boat cushions. Is Tetris a thing in the 70s?
This looks 90s, doesn't it? I think these were out. That was sitting on, that was in the corner.
We have the project site pretty much dialed all the way in. As you can all see here, we have the space and resources set up to get most everything done that we're going to need to get done. We have security, water, electricity, trash, storage, shade. We even have an area that the boys can play, ride around in their side-by-side or their scooter, and play frisbee with Brogan.
It's all hands on deck. It's time to get busy on the boat.
If you've been following along the last couple of episodes, you will have seen how cluttered and disorganized the interior of our boat is. We don't know what's still good, what's not, what's outdated, what we can still use, or really, what exactly all this stuff is.
Another big question we are going to have to answer soon is how much of all this teak can we save and restore?
We have pulled dozens of teak doors, drawers, panels, and trim that are all in great shape. Should we sand them all down and refinish them? Should we finish them lighter? How about darker? Should we paint them? Maybe you can help us. Take a look at some of the stuff we found and let us know what you think. Can it be saved? Is it worth keeping? Are these manufacturers even in business anymore? Would it cost more to fix or update it than just get a new one? Comment down below and let us know what you would do.
Check out some of the really cool stuff we pulled out of here.
So that's a panel board, circuit board of some sorts, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, does that say water maker right there? No idea what these are. But
Those are like light molds, so like those screw into the ceiling, say, and the lights recess into them.
I like that. We need to do that. Do that for guys.
Asher, let's just have a sword fight.
Or the light
Okay.
things.
You can have Get it, my friend!
Oh want more lights. Are these the lights that go?
Those are the lights that recess into those. See how they fit? See that?
Yeah.
Shouldn't end up working out, huh? We'll see. It's up to Mom.
I like that. We tested it. It works. It only has like 2 lumens. Alright. Whoa, what is this? Eagle.
See, that came out of the... Bring that over here. That came out of the nav station.
Did?
Yeah. Turn it around. Eagle.
Is it a chart plotter?
Range zoom. Shallow alarm.
Yep, it's a chart plotter.
It's the BG200 Eagle.
Now, what are you? Is this a chart plotter too?
That is a Furuno. It's got enter. What else? Marine radar. That's the radar control.
Huh. That's cool. More Furundo. Looks like a GPS navigation stuff.
GPS Navigator GP50 Mark II.
Something heavy.
See, what is that? Bring that here.
DC something amperes. It's like an amp meter. This in there. Gauges for the motor. The Perkins 85 diesel. With 2,500 hours. A light. I like this light.
Man, I love that light.
Does it go? Is this right? Does it go upside down or does it go on like
I think you can go either way, but I think it goes upside down. I think.
Eh?
Like it's kind of like a
broken.
That's okay. We'll fix it.
You broke it.
Yeah, I didn't break it.
Yes,
Come
you
here, let me see it.
You broke it.
Has it got like a model number or anything to it? Look, baby.
The bottom.
What does that say? Made in the USA.
Made in U.S. Yeah. It's a charger. Oh yay! Big, heavy metal box.
See, let's put that big heavy metal box with that other big heavy metal box. What's that say?
DC ampeter.
Vertical mount charger.
Is that what that other thing is?
I'm wondering if it goes with it somehow, like it's a,
Yeah. Something. What's this thing? Oh, you saw nothing.
impeller input, Dota Marine model S100KL. Night, day, off. I don't know. Alright, we're starting to be able to see a little bit of this now here. Thank you, son.
Yeah.
Living room's relatively cleared out. The salon, what is it?
I think it's saloon. Right? Dude, it feels so much more open now that we got all this stuff out. You can tell this is one bad bum boat.
Yeah, buddy.
Are these vents doing any good for you? Up here on the roof? Are they helping cool it down in here?
I can't really tell.
No joke. Everything that's coming through this camera looks way better than what it actually looks like. Although there's no help in that.
Fluid connectors.
That's about what it looks like in real life.
What?
I'm just looking at everything through this camera and it's all the wood looks nice through the camera. And it's brighter. The wood in the camera is brighter.
Man, I don't know, like, do all these, where do these freaking drawers go? Oh, okay. They're V-berth drawers.
They are?
So I'm pretty sure this thing is intact. I mean, obviously we'll want to update the membranes or whatever, and I think what we'll do is we'll take it out and we'll get that bin that you just brought down.
Right.
And we'll take it off completely and store it in the bin, and we'll go through it, or maybe even take it and talk to a Spectra rep
What's up there?
and see what we need to do to make this thing 100% operational. What do you think?
I think that's a good idea. It's been another busy week. We are very excited to have dug into everything that was in our boat.
If it wasn't fixed to something by screws, glue, staples, or nails, we pulled it out and inventoried it. Even if it was stapled, nailed, screwed, or glued down, we took some of that out too.
We thought you all might want a walkthrough so you can get a better picture in your heads of the potential this cruiser still has.
We thought it might be easier for everyone now to see past all the work and start seeing some possibilities. Do you like the layout of this cabin? What would you change if you could? I really like how open it is, how you can see the galley from the salon. I do think we should brighten it up a little bit. Maybe, I don't know if we could add maybe larger windows or white, more white to brighten it up. I also think that windows that hatch open from the front would be nice to get more airflow.
There was a ton of stuff left behind that we might still get to use.
One of our favorite quotes is often attributed to Mark Twain. It goes a little something like this. 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than by the ones you did. So throw off the bow lines, sail away from the safe harbor, catch the trade winds, in your sails, explore, dream, discover.
Asher. Yeah.
There's always time to play my brothers.
Don't run me over.
Thanks for watching. We sure hope you guys are enjoying it. Be sure to check back with us next week. We get struck by lightning and we get flooded again.